Hey everyone, once again we're at the tailgate of my pickup truck, waiting to make this video in between planes going by. One of the uh, issues about living in Dearborn, where I do, is that you have planes coming over fairly regularly going to Metro Airport. But anyway, here's what I got today. So I'll show you this in a few segments so it all fits on here. But this is a box. It was billed as computer parts, but I went through some of them. Some of them are not computer parts. That there's some tapered bearings here, which I don't think they would be used on a computer. They might be used on maybe like a motor or something along that line. But anyway, I got some of those in there, and there are some computer parts in there as well. And then I got this interesting trinket box here, and inside of it was some piece of costume jewelry. Here comes a plane now, just in case you thought I was joking around. But here's some, it's matching. There's two pieces here. Looks like a bracelet and a necklace. And here's the trinket box. It looks to be brass. Not too bad. It does have a number on the back. I looked this one up already, and you can see right here is the name and everything like that. But this one, some of these have sold for about $40 or so on eBay. And then also inside of here was, on the listing it just said movie stars, like they didn't know what they were. And I said, so I looked at it, and I found Clark Gable in here, and Hedy Lamar's on the right. I had to ask my wife about Hedy Lamar. The other two, I'm not too sure of. I'll have to look those guys up. Over here, we have some knives. Now, these are, they look to be like throwing knives. I mean, this one says Pro Throw. So they all kind of look similar to this one here. Most of them have surface rust on them and all that. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to try and remove it. I will wait for the plane to go away. Yeah, planes, kind of a scourge around here, but I guess a lot of people are coming home from wherever they're going to. It looks like that one's coming for a landing. Usually the ones that come over my house are landing. So anyway, we have these are throwing knives or daggers. Some of them were made, these were made in Japan, it says. And let's open one more up here. Oh boy. Now this is a pretty big boy here. It doesn't have a name on here, but on the sheath, it's an Olsen, OK brand. So those two go together. And then there's some more Olsen knives over here, kind of similar. This one, it looks like the grip on it is kind of jacked up a bit though, so I don't know if there's a way to fix that without putting a new pin through there. But anyway, I have those. And then also over here is this is a film camera. Don't get excited, it's not digital, but it does work. I was, yeah, you can see it won't take a picture with the cap on it. And it's got flash, the kit, the box, everything's in there. I have lots of people buying film cameras from me for whatever reason they buy them. Originally, this one sold for $398, probably, I don't know, maybe this might be early 90s, late 80s, something like that. I'd have to look up to see when this thing was made. But that's a pretty good find there. I'm not sure what the price on that, but with all the parts, even has a bag in there and everything. So we got everything going on. So let's move on to the next few items. Okay, here's our next set of items. You probably think I'm crazy for buying this is a fan. I wasn't exactly sure what it was for, but they told me at the auction house that it's used for a furnace. If it needs like you have like low airflow, you can have this installed in your furnace ducts, and it'll blow, give it more power so it gets up to wherever it's supposed to. You can see this plugs in, so I'll be able to test it out. But there's no noise from the bearings or anything, so it's good. Here's a massager. I have two of these. This is the Sharper Image Percussion massager. I tested, everything works well. Yep, and now my leg feels a lot better. be so relaxed after this. And then here's the Barbie Tonka truck. If you watch me bidding on the things, you saw I was interested in this one here. I'm not really sure if I'll make a lot of profit off this. It needs to be cleaned up a bit down here. Maybe a little soap and water will help take out some of these scuffs and things like that. So I'll get it cleaned up a little bit just to take those marks off of there, and then I'll be able to list it. Here comes some more things. Next up we have some He-Man figures, and I recognize one of them, exactly one of them, but here's kind of the group of this friendly crowd right here. There's Skeletor, he's the one I recognize. There's a pterodactyl and some kind of a hungry lizard here, a bee guy. This fella looks like he's constantly surprised. He's got a long neck. This neck goes up and down too, so he can see over this here. I mean, I was thinking someone just remove that and then you'd be able to see all the time, but nope, his neck extends. That makes it cooler. And this is probably like his brother or friend or something. They're both like bug people, and whoever she is, don't know who she is. But anyway, I will Google Lens all these. I'll find who they are and then make an assessment on their value and that kind of thing. This guy is fuzzy, and so he's picking up all kinds of lint and junk like that. So we'll put him back. Anyway, let's take a look at the next group. Well, what did you think, everyone? Do you like this kind of content? Is this something you'd like to see more of? I'd appreciate your comments at the bottom of the video, and I'll be trying something a little bit different coming up here as another side business to my side business, another money-making venture, and I'll have more details on that one soon. I'm just putting together all the footage for that, and I'll be posting that video probably within a week or so. But thanks for watching, and please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you can. Thank you.